Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi, I hope all of you guys are doing awesome. Today I'm going to do a magnesium video again because last time the voice wasn't clear, so I hope this time I can do it loud. So what you need is 1 cup of water and boil it. Make sure the water is boiling hot. And never make this solution on top of the stove. Always bring the boiling hot water on the table and make it. And now I have pure magnesium flakes. You can get it online from Whole Food store or something. And then I'm going to take 1 cup of this pure magnesium flakes. Now remember, never to do this one on top of the stove. You always boil the water, 1 cup of water. If you want to make 1 cup of magnesium oil, then you bring the water to a table and put it on top of something, and then you get out your 1 cup of magnesium flakes, which is exactly equal. So 1 cup of water equal 1 cup of magnesium flakes. Now you're going to have to mix together, and you have to mix it when the water is boiling hot, means steam coming off of it, so it will melt fast. And then we're going to just mix it, and after that we're going to leave them alone for 2 hours until they're totally cold. When the solution is totally cold, then you can store it in a spray bottle. You can store it in any kind of bottle, but you have to use it through a spray bottle. Now remember, this solution is just for external use. Never eat it, drink it, and also be sure to get your doctor's permission before you use it. So that's the disclaimer. So you ask your doctor, nurse, or whoever you need to ask, get their permission, then use it. So you get a spray bottle, and this is how you use it. You spray a little bit on your skin, and it will be like 1 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon. You can spray it on the arm, or you can spray it on the legs and thighs if you have crampy legs at night time, or if you are nervous and jittery. Now magnesium is needed for 300 different functions in the body. So magnesium is a crucial micronutrient, and it is so needed. So just make. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.